Hello, 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 everyone. How many of you are comfortable and confident with just being you? Who you are, 100% who you are, owning it and being happy with it. I hear a lot of people, and I tend to see a lot of things posted where if I could just this, or if I was just like that, or I'm not like that, I can't be like that person, I'm not like, or I wish I was somebody else. The first thing I'd like to say is don't aim to please others, and don't worry about what they think of you or how they view you. I mean, you can't live your whole life hostage to worrying about what somebody else is going to think, say, or do, because they're not you and you're not them. So don't try to live your life pleasing someone else or standing to what you think their standards are. Second thing I want to say is always appreciate who you are. I appreciate who you are, and so do the people around you. So always appreciate who you are, because you were made for a purpose. The next thing is be confident with who you are. Be confident in you. If you don't feel like you're in a position where you can, and there's other things you want to learn and do, go out there and learn those things, but be confident in you. Have confidence in yourself and your ability. The next one is forgive yourself. Forgive yourself of whatever shortcomings you may think that you have. Now, if you've done something to somebody, yes, you should forgive yourself and ask them to forgive you. But I'm talking about forgive yourself for things that you may have done against yourself, or that you've not stood up to your potential. You've not done things that you know that you can do. Just forgive yourself. Stop being negative about yourself. Stop it. Because if you're negative about you and to you, then what are you telling everyone else? Because the way you treat yourself sets the intention for how you expect them to treat you. So stop being ugly to yourself. Find a hobby that you love to do or volunteer. Doing those things helps you feel well-rounded and accomplished, and gives you a purpose. Gives you a purpose to try to strive to be the person that you want to be. Number 7 is learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. And if you don't make mistakes, you never have the opportunity to learn and grow. Mistakes are an important part of life, because that's what you learn from, to not repeat and do again, and how to grow. Strive for what you want to accomplish. Take a class. Everything's online now. You can do it online. You want to learn another language, you can take it online. You want to take a class about Excel, you can take it online. Whatever it is that you want to do, that you want to accomplish, you want to start another business, you want to have another income, you want to do whatever it is. You want to lose weight, you want to exercise, you want to dye your hair red, whatever it might be. Strive for what you want to accomplish. Set your goals and work towards them, because you, my friend, can do it. Number 9 is celebrate your strengths. You do have them. Start looking at what your strengths are. Maybe it's being a good friend, being a good listener, taking care of people. Celebrate your strengths, because they're yours. They're your talents. They're part of what makes you, you. So celebrate them. The last thing I want to tell you here is number 10, express yourself. Don't be ugly or rude or condescending or bully, but also don't be a doormat. So express yourself. If you don't like the way something's going, then you can say, I'm not comfortable in this situation. Bye, see you later. Or just remove yourself. You are the only you that was ever and ever will be created. There's not another one like you. There won't be another one like you. So be you. Don't be the next person, because there's already somebody taking that spot. You're important. You were made for a purpose. Live to that purpose. Live to what you were intended to be, because you matter.